September 24th, and we are at the Chiniguichi waterway, the Sportsman's Lodge, about to embark on a 7-day journey. Got Ken Drulard with me.
Hoo-yah!
And we are the Bushwhacker Brothers.
Whoa! Hey, hey, hey! Whoa, whoa! The Bushwhacker!
With an 80-kilometer journey ahead of us, we put in at the Sportsman's Lodge located northeast of Sudbury. Day 1 would have us travel 23 kilometers to our first site at Wessel Lake.
Just coming up to our first portage site off of Kukugami. Day 1.
On the trail to Donald. Still knocking it out on the portage.
Just at the end of our 1,000 meter trail and hitting Donald Lake. 1 kilometer is always a hard portage. That's wild.
Tradition, every time you land at this portage, you have to carve your name into the rock. Ken, where's your knife? Introducing the new diamond cutter, Spyderco.
Got Lake, Gold Lake. So from Gold Lake, got another 2:30 to McCarthy Bay. Okay, we're on Bloom Lake, and we got one more little tiny portage into Wessel.
A pretty sweet little lookout here on Wessel Lake. Camp is back in there. Came up the road.
It's our first campsite on Wessel Lake, and I think I got this GoPro going again.
So, day 1 in the books. What do you think, Ken?
It was a long day. Started off dark and rainy. It was cold, and but no winds. And then a bunch of the rain kind of subsided for the rest of the day, and that was pretty good.
Yeah, we lucked out with the weather for sure. We put about 26K on the books today. So Evelyn Lake tomorrow.
I think so. That should be an easier day. It's the morning of day 2 on Wessel Lake, just having breakfast. We've got a shorter day today. We're just going to make ourselves about 6 kilometers away instead of 20 like yesterday. So we're going to take advantage of the fact that it's early morning, and we're going to go fishing after camp. See how that goes. Steve's got the first one. Your honors.
You're on Wessel Lake. Fishing's good.
Oh, I got one too. In the chest. Full belly of fish. And our next step is to bone steal a little pond. And then Irish. Fighting Lake. All right. Off to Irish Lake.
Just at the northern section of Irish Lake, onto our last portage, to Evelyn Lake.
Evelyn Lake. Just a quick little walk around on Evelyn Lake. Got the fire pit over there. Tarp hung up just in case we get that 30% chance of rain. And we set up a little bit in the woods. And we're all set up. We've got the Luna 4 Bear Paw outdoor wilderness tent. It's a 4-person tent, but for 2 people it's just great. Lots of room in there. And this one's floorless. Our other one has a floor to it.
Just on Evelyn Lake, heading out for an evening fish. See how we do.
Evelyn Lake, first fish of the night.
When nothing else works, put the white grub on. Another one on Evelyn. That's about the size of them.
Ooh, yeah, you'll make some fillet. Ooh, that's a big one. Jesus, you're a sticky guy. Day 3, leaving Evelyn towards Laura. It's windy already. Our lake. And looks like we got a path out here. Let's see where it brings us. Laura Creek.
Seems to me they misspelled it.
Okay, we're at our campsite at Laura Lake. It's very blustery getting in here, but we're all set up. We just had some soup and some beef jerky, and I guess it's just gonna relax from now on. Might go fishing later on tonight.
Tonight we had 3 bass in the boat, nice ones, by about 6 o'clock. Came back, got a tarp up, and we made some Tom Kha soup with a little bit of the smallmouth bass. And we've got leftovers for breakfast or lunch. It's a pretty good night.
Packing up on day 4. It's a blustery day. We're supposed to see some sun today. Be the first in 3. And we're off to Chiniguichi, the namesake of the provincial park we're at.
Just making our way down to the 850 to McConnell Bay. Yes, the swamp thing. It's kind of like choose your own adventure.
Previous travels in 2018 proved that this portage can be difficult. Normal conditions see you crossing a bog via down logs hidden below the surface. The pathway is what feels to be about 10 inches wide. Missing your step leads you into wading anywhere from your knee to your waist deep. We both missed quite a few steps. Unfortunately, the GoPro experienced some technical difficulties and we lost some footage.
Well, we made it to McConnell Bay.
Is that the first sun in 3 days?
First sun.
First sun in 3 days. Can't even see my shadow.
As fate would have it, we arrive at the beach to sunny weather.
Sweet little sandcastle. I think someone was making us a sand turtle. A little flag of some sorts.
With renewed hope for weather to come, we made it to Chiniguichi.
Evening of day 4, heading out on the big lake, see if we can catch some more bass.
Nice one.
On day 5, we awoke to clear skies, and the thin layer of ice on our lenses was proof autumn had arrived.
In One Lake. Portage Trail, and we are on Wolf Lake now. Someone's attempting to do bow drill. Tinder bundle, spindle and hearth. Will he get a coal? Let's find out. Okay, another trial. And we got a coal. Lost it.
Six, leaving our little island site on Wolf Lake and paddling towards the Toenail Portage. Very foggy this morning.
That morning, we ran into a group of teachers and students from North Bay on their fall trip.
It's a lynx. On the Dune Trail. We're about 2/3.
Dune Lake Portage, 5 out of 5. Would do again.
Here we are, Dune Lake. Well, the distance seemed right by step count, but we had to take 2 breaks, but we single carried it all. So, one more 200 meter, and we're in Kukugami, or Put-in Lake. End of Dune Lake, last portage of the trip.